across the road.
Why did the chicken
You look
cross?
like the chicken from Moana.
Hey.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Hey is blue.
But that really, no, Hey is white. Is he not?
Hey is not white.
Ah, syempre, nakaupo lang kami. Ilip-ilip.
Grabe. Imagine mo, pababa lang. Kamakain ng 2 hours mahigit. The secret that
Zest ba yun?
Yeah,
Dapat.
let's go.
But I want to check din kung meron sa SM yung medyo ano na. Kain muna tayo, kakakain ako siomay.
So guys, na? Okay.
Nangangaroling ka, Francis. In every house, you will sing the same song.
Pero titingin muna tayo sa SM
Does
kung
it have to
meron.
be a
Ah,
Christmas?
O
Mommy,
yung,
does it have to
yung
be?
nakita nyo na.
Maganda yung doon, pero meron siyang tatak. Maliit lang naman yung area ni mama eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, halimbawa pagkagising nila mga 11, buksan na niya. Tapos, pagka di mag-i-aircon, di ba? Ididikit yun kasi may aircon. And then, mga alas 2, patayin na niya,
Oo.
gano'n. Maglilinger na yung amoy nun. Yun.
11, there's no more movie. We have to wait another 3 years for season 5 to come out. Papa, we want.
No, I think they're finishing it na, anak.
No, this isn't season 5. You're just like Papa. But you know what? You're a rat. We are team rat. That's our word of the day. Rat.
That was mga 1990s. Mga 90s.
Nice.
I was high school then.
Salamat sa liwanag. Palma. Natin magbukas
Kapit Isabotage ka ni kuya te, gaganon yan te, hulog ka. Oh, you have to buy meal.